many to 1, right? Many to 1. And the many to 1 class name is car class. It's a type of vehicles. And the reference column name is car ID. That's it over, right? Fuel readings are over. Then meter reading also we need to have. Speedometer reading. Speedo reading. Here speedometer reading ID. Reading date, reading time. Reading and version same. Car also same. Class names are speedometer reading. The table name supercar speedometer reading. In fuel reading also class name fuel reading class. Yeah. Fuel reading over, speedometer reading over, fuel type we have. Fuel type parameters, fuel type ID, fuel type name and description. Fuel type name and fuel type description, and the class name is fuel type class, and the table name is fuel type table. Yeah, fuel type also finished. 1 2 3 4 5 mapping files. And the last entity we have branches and locations. So for branches and locations, create mappings. Locations mappings. For branch, class name branch, table name supercar branch table, and branch table properties, branch ID, branch ID increment, branch name, contact, fax number. Branches over, and places. Locations .hbm.xml file. Location attributes, location ID, For locations, the table is locations table. Street to city, state to pin. So now for all these bins mappings finished, right? For 5 types models we have 5 types mapping files: locations, payment types, transaction models and user models and vehicle models. So for all these mappings we need to use one configuration, right? So create configuration. In that configuration, configure all these mapping files. Create one resource. Hibernate configuration file. Actually, while doing Spring Hibernate integration, Hibernate configuration file not required, right? One Spring XML file is enough, or else you can maintain separate Hibernate configuration file also, no issue. We can have separate XML file, or else you can have the same configurations inside Spring XML file also. Okay, so hibernate.cfg.xml file, provide here configurations. Use Hibernate configuration file. RKL connection properties we are using here. HBM to DDL, use create. Yeah, as of now I don't require any second level cache and these all, so don't use this cache files. And how many mapping files we have? Many mapping files. So how to configure those many mapping files here? Have we need to configure all these? Do you know any other approach? Will it work? So I think if it provide any expression support here like star, will it support? We have to check. Just a minute, I'll check it. Yeah, I'm not connecting. Okay, the package name is what? The common package name is resources, right? For all these, the common package name com.ds supercar.resources. Give that common name here. Then we have multiple packages: mappings.locations, mappings.payments, mappings.transaction model. Okay, mappings also is the common name. Mappings dot, is it allowed or not? Actually for resources we need to use slashes. Slash mappings slash star. Okay, try to test it. I'll write one simple test class. Just write a simple test class to load this. cfg.configure cfg.build session factory. Run this. Yeah, default it will load, right? Default location we are using SRC only, right? From SRC directly it will load. So from user model we have users.hvm.xml file. And one more mapping, address. Yeah, from transaction transaction model. Booking record hvm.xml file. Yeah, the next car for sale. The next car selling. Yeah, car selling. The next confirmation. Timesheet. Yes, the next mappings. Transactions over payments. Payments Under payments, payment dot hvm.xml file, and we have payment type dot hvm.xml file, and we have one coupon.hvm.xml file. Yeah, then after coupon, demand draft, driver charges, and we have insurance. And we have insurance type. Payment over, payment type over, vehicle charges. Yeah, the next one more major entity, vehicles. Car, car type, and we have under vehicles what we have, fuel readings, speedometer reading. Fuel type, fuel reading, car type, okay, car type over, speedometer reading, speedo reading. Yeah. And what we have, car, car type, fuel, fuel reading, speedometer, only 5, right? Yes. And the next type, yeah, vehicle types also over, user model, vehicle type, transaction model over, payment also over, right? So 4 types over. Vehicle, payment, user model, vehicle, payment, transactional, user. The next one is places only, locations, mappings / locations. Under locations we have 2, one is places, location, location.hvm.xml file, and one is branch. Yeah, all these resources are available. Now our HBM to DDL option is create. Now test it. Yeah, it is under coupons mapping file. Actually I given spaces also we should not give. You can see this coupon HBM file, here I given spaces should not contain. Same thing, don't put any spaces. Yeah, under driver charges property we are trying to using vehicle charger already. So the driver properties are in